The professor began his class by holding up a glass with some water in it. He held it up for all to see and asked the students, "How much do you think this glass weighs?" 50 grams, 100 grams, 125 grams, the students answered. "I really don't know unless I weigh it," said the professor. "But my question is, what would happen if I held it up like this for a few minutes?" "Nothing," the students said. "Okay, what would happen if I held it up like this for an hour?" the professor asked. "Your arm would begin to ache," said one of the students. "You are right. Now, what would happen if I held it for a day?" "Your arm could go numb. You might have severe muscle stress and paralysis and have to go to hospital for cure," ventured another student, and all the students laughed. "Very good, but during all this, did the weight of the glass change?" asked the professor. "No," was the answer. "Then what caused the arm ache and the muscle stress?" The students were puzzled. "What should I do now to come out of pain?" asked professor again. "Put the glass down," said one of the students. "Exactly," said the professor. "Life problems are something like this. Hold it for a few minutes in your head and they seem okay. Think of them for a long time and they begin to ache. Hold it even longer and they begin to paralyze you. You will not be able to do anything." It's important to think of the challenges and problems in your life, but even more important is to put them down at the end of every day before you go to sleep. That way you are not stressed. You wake up every day fresh and strong and can handle any issue, any challenge that comes your way. So, when you start your day today, remember, friend, to put the glass down today.